Welcome to my kitchen, and today we are making taffy apple grapes. And what you're gonna need is green grapes, vanilla melting chocolate, toothpicks, peanuts, a chopper, and a pan with tinfoil or parchment paper. So first, what you're gonna want to do is put the grapes under the sink or any water sources, of course, and make sure you dry them afterwards. And then what you're gonna want to do is put the peanuts into your chopper, and then chop them till they're finely cut.
A few moments later.
Now we shall finally cut our peanuts. And as you can see here, this is what the peanuts should look like, or about obviously like this. And after that, you put your melting chocolate into the oven. No, that's not an oven, that's a microwave. I mean, it technically does the same thing, but anyways, as you can see here, the chocolate is creamy and smooth. And I am burning my hands. Creamy and smooth, and yeah. Next, we shall put the toothpick into the grape, which, as you can see, toothpick into grape, and then you gotta want to coat it in the melting chocolate, and then what you gotta want to do is coat it in the peanuts, and then put it into the pan and put it into the freezer for about 5 minutes. And we don't need this box anymore, so yeah, that's my recipe for making taffy apple grapes.